Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope each of you is enjoying your day, whatever time of the day it may be for you. So today's video I am making some fondant from scratch. It's a recipe that I found online and I figured I would try. I'll link where I found it down below. But I will say that this recipe, I'm not sure what I did wrong, or if there was something I did wrong, or if it's just a bit of a different recipe than the store-bought stuff or the stuff that a lot of people make from fondant. But when I made it, it seemed to be working out okay. It was like everything was folding in good and that was all working good. But in the end, when I tried to roll it out and put it on a cake, it just kind of tore and wasn't very elasticy like regular fondant is. So it might work a little bit better for things that aren't super heavy, like cupcake toppers, things like that. That can just kind of dry out, whereas this, you need it to be elasticy for rolling it over a cake. But you'll see at the end of the video kind of what I mean. I just had a little clip of where I tried to put it on a cake and it just wasn't looking very good, so I had to take it off. I tried doing it twice and I had to take it off both times, and then I ended up buying some store-bought stuff because I was in a little bit of a bind. But I will let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching.